you all? You know, children, I have a new story today to tell you, and you will have to listen to it very carefully because I will tell you to guess something, okay? Come on, ready? You know, once upon a time, there was an octopus and otter. Octopus and otter were best friends. They lived in the sea and they both loved to eat some olives. Yes, when octopus's mama goes to office, octopus takes some olives and fries in the oil, and then otter and octopus used to eat the olives, and they left some oysters also. And you know what did the oysters do? All day around, the oysters used to collect some shells and they used to make some lovely ornaments. Yes. And you know, far away from the sea, there lived a big bird called ostrich. Yes, and also an ox. The ox had two long and sharp horns. You know, the ostrich used to get scared of the ox. One day, ox was eating an orange and the ox gave one orange to the ostrich. Ostrich, ostrich, don't get scared of me. I am an ox and I love to eat the orange. You can also eat the orange. And then they became friends. Yes, children, did you notice ma'am was telling something again and again when I was telling octopus, otter, orange, office, ox. Yes, I am talking about sound. Yes, which letter gives us sound? Letter O. This is letter O and its sound is O. Come on, repeat with me everyone. O, orange. O, octopus. O, office. O, oil. O, ornaments. O, oyster. O, ox. Very good.